Hello guys, welcome to channel Phone Mania. So in today's video, we are going to unbox the latest Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus 5G, and this is the Indian retail unit. So let's start off on the unboxing. So here we are getting a box Redmi, and let's see what are we getting over here. So it's a tool, and then the quick start guide for the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and then wow, a case and which looks really cool, and then our phone in the normal packaging, and I will show the rest. And we are getting 120 watt adapter over here, 120 watt adapter, and then we are getting a USB type A to type C data cables over here. Let's see, you can see type A to type C data cables. So guys, this is the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and this is the fusion white color, you can see, and the theme color is fusion purple, and I chose to go with something different. Actually, to be frank, I didn't get that purple color, and this is the white, and you can see, okay, so looks really cool, and written 200 MP 200 mega OIS and all. So, and you can see the curved displays, and yeah, right, power button along with volume logos, and you can see the SIM ejector tray, USB type C port, and the speaker grill over here, and you can see. Okay, so let's boot up for the first time, and let's see how it looks with the case. Okay, oh, so it looks really different with the case. You can see this much area is like this to showcase that type of design, and yes, see, the case is really cool, and actually it has got a protection for the USB port also. You can see this kind of thing is done, and let's, so this is the UI, and the first thing I notice is the bloatwares, or you can see too much of games. You can see bubble shoot, block puzzle, bubble shoot again, again some crazy juicer, dust settle, then get apps, jewel blast, and again you can see snake, tile fund, word rip. You can see a lot of bloatwares are there, but you can just press and hold and you can directly uninstall it right away. So that's really cool thing. Does it have auto call recording without announcement? Yes. Then I would say, you can see, just tap over here, just tap the settings, and you can see call recording, just record all calls automatically, and you can see auto call recording without announcement is finally on the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, which is really good. So this is the 6.67-inch 3D curved AMOLED display of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and this is not a flash display. This is a 1.5K display at 2112 into 1220 pixels and 446 ppi over here. So the colors are really sharp and vibrant, and now it's in the maximum peak brightness, and you can see it's looks really cool, and the peak brightness maximum is 1800 nits of peak brightness. Glance itself, you can notice the colors are really sharp and vibrant, obviously as the saturated colors this, and that's what the MI do. Talk about the color reproduction, 68 billion plus color reproduction on this guy, and a peak brightness of 1800 nits of peak brightness, and a touch sampling rate of 240 Hz, and it also supports HDR10 plus, Dolby Vision, wideband L1 speaker test. So Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Okay, I was just okay. I would, to give a fair idea, I would just also play on the S20 FE. What about the speakers? So I would say the speaker is of a decent quality. There is no wow factor, and if you compare the Galaxy S20 FE, you can see the clear difference between the audio output, especially the volume and the bass tones were really good on the S20 FE, whereas the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus was just fine. I would say it's a decent speaker. Talk about the cameras. So Samsung's 200 MP ISOCELL HP3 sensor is on the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and then we are getting a normal 8 MP ultra wide, and obviously this useless 2 MP macro, which is of no use in my personal preference. And I would show you the camera UI really quick. and this is the camera UI. And starting off, we are getting a documents mode, then the 200 MB high resolution mode, and then video you can see maximum we can record up to 4K 30 FPS over here. And also we are getting some beauty modes, filters and all. And for the, you can see it's available. And if you just go back, and we have the photo mode 0.6x, ultra wide, 1x, 2x, 4x, and let's see maximum we go to 10x. And then there is a portrait mode with the depth effect adjustment and all. And then apart from that, we have night mode, and in more, let's see, we have pro mode, which we can manually adjust aperture, ISO, and balance and all. And then let's see what else we are getting over here. Then a panoramic mode and a short film mode and slow motion, time lapse, a watermark, long exposure. Front camera, we are getting a 16 MB selfie camera, and it can record 1080p at 60 FPS video recording. And that's it. Dimensity 7200 Ultra is the chipset which is used on the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, and the GPU is ARM G610 MC4 is the GPU used, and the chipset is of 4 nanometer process. This is the Antutu score of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. You can see 7,72,000 and CPU of 2,53,000, GPU of 1,85,000, memory of 1,53,000, UX of 1,79,000, and you can see just 4.2 degrees Celsius is increased, and which is really good. And you can see 38.4 was the maximum, and which is below 40 degrees Celsius, which is really good. And if you can see, just 4% drop, which is pretty below than normal, which is 4 to 6% is the ideal rate. And if you look at the storage test, you can see 62,721 scores, which is really good. About the fingerprint scan and face detection, so I'm just checking the rapid touch. Okay, it's working perfectly fine. Once again, rapid touch in 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, again fine. Once again, 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, now normal touch would be perfect, you can see. And now it's time for the face detection. So in 3, 2, 1 and oof, fast. Once again in 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, once again in 3, 2, 1 and go. Okay, I'll show you. Once again 3, 2, 1 and okay, fine. Once again 3, 2, 1 and okay, so it's fine. Fingerprint scanner and face detection is perfectly fine. And there is an option for this is the 8GB to 5GB which I am having right now, and there is another option in additional things. You can see memory extension, and you can expand up to 8 plus 8, total 16GB. You can expand the RAM with the help of a memory extension feature, so that is also available over here. What are these two guys in common? S21 FE versus the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Obviously, IP68 dust and water resistance is now on the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, which is a really good thing. And the next thing is it also have 10 5G bands, and it has got a really nice haptic motor. So let me show you the haptic motor. So it's in sort of vibration, and haptic feedback is really good. Actually, it feels like we are using a premium Xiaomi 13 Pro series and all. Almost the display size, everything feels almost like resembles of the Xiaomi 30 Pro. Now it has got a 120 watt adapter in the box, and from 0 to 100 in just 19 minutes as per advertised. And it has got Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and it has also got a cooling system at 4000 mm² VC. So guys, that was it regarding a quick unboxing and the first impression of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. So guys, that's it for today. Signing off, it's Phone Mania.